Okay. Here we go. Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. So for those of you who are watching me for the first time today, my name is Coco Bassey and I'm a New York City based content creator. I work with a bunch of brands across the fashion, beauty, and lifestyle vertical. And for those of you who are not watching me for the first time, I know you've probably noticed that I've been away from YouTube for quite a while. Probably like exactly 1 year, to be completely honest, and that is because if you're following me on Instagram, you probably know that I have been doing this year-long series of weekly videos that just kind of covered pretty much the same things that you're used to seeing on here and on my Instagram. So a little bit of fashion, a little bit of beauty, some like little mini vlogs whenever I was traveling or heading out of town. But I'm really hoping to get back into YouTube this year, and I thought what better way to kind of kick things right back off, pick up where we started, than with some fun holiday presents. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have been gift shopping for family and friends, but probably something that you might want to consider next year, depending on the line of work you're into, is also gift shopping for the people that you work with. I don't know if you've ever like gotten your boss a little gift or like your favorite coworker, but in my line of work, it's all something that's super common. So I had this really long list of some of my favorite brand partners, just like people that I've worked with all year that I've really enjoyed getting to know. So I went through a long list, bought some of my favorite people gifts for the holidays, and I got some pretty incredible gifts back, and today we're gonna be opening them together. So I feel like we can just go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so for starters, we have something from Louis Vuitton. I'm sure you guys have probably seen this big package on your Instagram already because, I don't know, unless you're living under a rock, you've probably heard all of the crazy discussions online around brands' advent calendars. But I haven't opened this yet, but just based on what I've seen online, that's what I know like everyone else got too. So let's kind of get into the Louis Vuitton advent calendar and see what's in it. So something I really love about the Louis Vuitton holiday gifts that they always send out is that they always have kind of a charitable spin to it. So I know the big thing that we're gonna get into is the advent calendar, but most importantly, Louis Vuitton made a donation on behalf of basically every person that they sent an advent calendar out to. Louis Vuitton basically has been partnering with UNICEF for quite a number of years. I don't really know exactly how long, but for as long as I've known, which has been like quite a number of years. But I think this is like something that's really meaningful, probably like even more so than like any item or any bag that they could have sent out. And now, for the advent calendar, it is in this beautiful silver, kind of like that classic Louis Vuitton chest. And I'm gonna open it. We've got, I'm pretty sure it's 24, like different openings, and in each one, we had a little like holiday ornament. So they're just like really pretty. Kind of a nice way to decorate your tree if that's what you are down for. But of course, like the main message Louis Vuitton was really wanting to get out was kind of more that charitable spin that they were putting and making donations in the name of everyone who they sent an advent calendar out to. So thank you so much, Louis Vuitton. It's been incredible working with you guys this year, and I cannot wait for 2022. Yeah, let's see what's next. Okay, so this is from the Gucci beauty team, which I'm so excited about because I actually really like their beauty products. It's just kind of a good mix of like fun lip colors, like colorful eye pencils. Yeah, so let's see what's inside here. Okay. Oh my god, it's like a whole goodie bag of Gucci beauty products. So we've got two fragrances, one being Gucci Guilty, and Gucci Bloom. I assume this is more of a floral scent. Guilty, I am not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to smell this to see, so I'm gonna open this up now. But I remember when I was in high school, one of my really good friends used to always wear a Gucci fragrance, And from what I recall, I think it was the Gucci Guilty fragrance. And if it is, it's gonna be a huge blast from the past. That's so pretty. Is it the one? It smells really good though. I'm gonna let that sit for a bit, but that smells so good. I don't know if you guys have ever tried any of Gucci's fragrances. They just do them so well. I don't think it's the one that my friend used to wear in high school, but it smells really good. So yeah, we've got 2 fragrances there. We also have the Gucci mascara. Just a really, and I love the packaging on Gucci Beauty's products. It's all got this like really beautiful pastel pink, and everything's very high quality. So that's the mascara. I actually already have one that I was using earlier this year. I really like the brush on it because it's like the plastic bristles and it's very volumizing. So that's a good favorite if you guys are looking to kind of try out a new mascara. We have 2 new lip colors. Oh, sorry, 3 new lip colors. Let's see what the difference between all of these are. So this is kind of like a dusty rose. It looks a little bit redder on camera, but let's see what else we've got. This is like a beautiful rich brown. And then, last but not least, I'm gonna guess this is like a classic red. Yep, that's right. We've got 3 beautiful colors for me to try out in the new year. I cannot wait to get into this. This is all so pretty. Not gonna swatch them yet, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, when I do end up wearing these, I will definitely let you know. But I'm probably like most excited to get into this brown color because it looks very brown on camera now, but I think on like a darker skin tone, it's gonna look like a really pretty deep nude. So that's gonna be a really exciting one to try. And then of course, classic red. Can never go wrong with that. So thank you so much to the Gucci Beauty team. Okay, next up, we have a gift from Ferragamo and another little personalized note from the team. Yeah, I don't know, do you guys keep the cards that you get sent? I feel like I always treasure these personalized notes almost like just as much as I do the actual gifts. Because it's like, you know, I don't know, someone took the time to like write something more personal to you. And like just have this big box that I keep all of these kind of cards, like all of my fashion week invites, all of my holiday cards, literally anything that's like personally written to me from someone. I just have this huge box. It's just like full of everything. I feel like I need to do a clean out or figure out what I want to do with it. But like, how the hell do you like throw away an invite to like a Dior show? You know what I mean? Like, I just feel like these are just such like amazing memories that I want to like keep in one way or the other. But that's basically what I do with all of these cards. None of them ever see the trash. So we're gonna see what I got from the Ferragamo team. So it's like a shoebox because we've got a dust bag here. Oh my God, guys. This is major. Okay, so I've worked pretty closely with Ferragamo this year, and they, like both of the girls on the PR team, know how much I love the Viva Bow flats. This is amazing. These are like bling central. It is this beautiful like silver, I don't even know, like it's like, I guess it's like a python kind of finish to it somehow, because there's definitely like suede in between with like silver, like speckles of like silver leather on top. This is so much fun. Oh my God, what a treat. I am so excited to wear these. And they're flats. You guys know I don't really wear heels, so like, what a moment. Perfect pair of holiday shoes. Thank you so much to Ferragamo. These are I'm like speechless. I don't know if you guys can tell how I don't get excited about a lot of things, but like this was just so thoughtful, especially because the PR team knows how much I love these Viva Bow Flat shoes. Okay, next up we have another gift from the Gucci Beauty team. I actually don't think this was part of the holiday package. I just think this got delivered around the same time. But it came in this is another package that I kind of started opening up because I was running out of space for all these boxes that kept coming in. But it came in this really beautiful like case that I could totally just have on my dresser and like repurpose it to like hold my jewelry or anything else. And then just embedded in there is a really cool eyeshadow palette. That's one that I'm really excited to get into. So it's got, I'm seeing like a lot of pastels, like this blue is not a color that I would typically use, but Gucci eyeshadows are really pigmented. So I feel like that's one I would, if I was gonna try something pastel-y and totally out of my comfort zone, it would probably be with Gucci Beauty. So like, just like to look at that. Like, I feel like if I was doing something really fun and editorial, that would be it. Oh. And I just caught this, guys, but if you're getting this palette, you definitely want to be careful because that almost slid out and that would have not made me very happy. So you definitely want to be careful with that. But it's kind of cool too because I think that means that you can replace or swap out the palettes. This is the only eyeshadow palette from Gucci Beauty that I own, but I assume they have other, like collections of other colors, so it's kind of nice that you can swap them in and out of this really cute container. And that's from Gucci Beauty. Okay, so another gift package came in. This is from Marc Jacobs. Let's see what's in the box. So we got a bottle of Marc Jacobs fragrance in the Daisy, and it's the Intense perfume. And we have, this is a new one that I've not tried. It's called Perfect. So we've got Daisy and Perfect by Marc Jacobs. Super excited to get into these as well. Thank you so much. I used to wear Daisy all the time. I feel like this Intense one is gonna be a fun one to get into because it's gonna be kind of a stronger version of that scent that I'm sure a lot of you guys are already really familiar with. So I'm definitely excited to get into that, but so cute. Thank you so much, Marc Jacobs. So this is gonna be a fun one. This is from Chanel. See what we got from them. Ooh, okay. Thought this would be a makeup product, but oh my god, so cute. Guys, it's a snow globe. It's like Chanel Beauty themed, like all of the white Chanel boxes and a big bottle of Chanel No. 5. So cute, just like a fun little decor piece. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the last one I'm gonna be unboxing. And I am so excited because I've been dying to get into this ever since it showed up at my door. This is from the Chanel fashion team. I didn't even know. Let's get into it. It's got the beautiful packaging. Okay. Are we ready? Are we ready to see what we got from Chanel? So cute. Oh my god, it's this belt. Oh my god, so cute. Guys, it's a belt bag. I love this. So cute. Oh my god. How beautiful is that? So it's in this like pearlescent white. It almost has like a really light pink sheen to it, if you guys can tell. So this is it here. So cute. Got the front pockets. This actually holds a lot more than one would think. 1, 2, big one right here. That is all so cute. So there we have it. That is everything that I am unboxing on camera. I am beyond over the moon. So guys, that is all of my holiday gifts for 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube too. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And we will see you next time, right buddy? We'll see you next time? Yes, we will. All right guys, so that is all that I have for my holiday 2021 gifts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Say bye, Willie. Say bye, Willie. Bye.